Let me ask you a question. Can you understand English, but find it hard to speak? Do you watch English videos and understand them? Do you read English books and know what's happening? But when you try to speak, your mind goes blank? If that sounds like you, don't worry. You are not alone. This happens to many, many English learners. And today, we're going to talk about it. We'll go deep into this problem. We'll understand why it happens. And most importantly, we'll learn how to fix it. You'll also practice speaking with me step by step. Just listen carefully, speak with me, and repeat the phrases. You'll build confidence. You'll speak clearly, and slowly, English will feel natural. Are you ready? Let's begin. But wait, before diving into the topic, let me introduce myself first. My name is Wilson, and you are watching Real Life English. This is a place where we help you learn English slowly, naturally, and in a real-life way. Let me start with something very important. If you understand English, you are not bad at English. You are better than you think. Many students say, "I can't speak English. I'm not good." But then I ask them, "Do you understand me right now?" And they say, "Yes." That's proof. You are learning. You do understand. Your brain knows English, but your mouth feels slow. That's not a failure. It's a stage. Here's the truth. There are two kinds of English skills: input and output. Input means you take in English, like listening, reading, or watching videos. Output means you use English, like speaking or writing. Most students have strong input. They listen, they watch, they read, but they don't practice output. They don't speak, or they don't speak enough. It's like this. If you listen to music every day, but never play the guitar, you won't be able to perform. It's the same with English. You need to speak, even if it's slow, even if it's simple, even if it's just a few words. So remember, you are not bad at English. You're just quiet. And today, we will wake up your voice. Repeat after me. I understand English. I am learning every day. I just need to speak more. My voice will grow with practice. Let's continue. Now we're going to look at a very common problem: why you keep forgetting English words even after studying them. This is something that frustrates many learners, but there's a simple reason behind it. Have you ever learned a new English word and then forgot it 2 days later? You're not alone. Many students say, "I learn new words, but I forget them when I speak." Why does this happen? Let's understand. Your brain works like this. When you learn something once, it goes to short-term memory. It's like writing in sand. One wave, and it's gone. But when you use it again and again, it moves to long-term memory. That's like writing in stone. It stays. So if you learn the word like delicious, but never say it again, you'll forget it. But if you say it 10 times and use it in your daily life, it becomes part of you. Example, let's learn the word delicious. Repeat after me. Delicious. Say it again. Delicious. Now say this. My lunch was delicious. The cake was delicious. This soup is delicious. Now use it in real life. Next time you eat something nice, say, delicious. Do it again tomorrow and the next day. Soon you won't forget it. That's how memory works. Not by reading once, but by living the word. Now try this with other words. Live it. Speak it. Use it in real situations. And you will remember forever. Let's now talk about something that stops many people from speaking. The fear of making mistakes. This fear is one of the biggest barriers to fluency. Have you ever stayed silent because you were afraid of grammar? Afraid someone would laugh? Afraid you would sound silly? You're not the only one. I had a student named Rina. She was from Japan. She studied English for 3 years. She understood everything, but she never spoke. One day I asked her why. She said, "I'm scared. I don't want to make a mistake." I told her something I'll now tell you. Fluent people make mistakes too. Even native speakers say wrong words. Even I make mistakes sometimes. Mistakes are normal. But silence is worse. When you stay quiet, you stop learning. So speak. Speak with mistakes. Speak with courage. Every time you speak, you win. Every word you say builds confidence. Here's something to repeat. It's okay to make mistakes. I will speak anyway. I am learning. I am growing. I am brave. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your teacher. Don't wait to be perfect. Start now. You will improve with time. All right. Now that you understand what's stopping you, let's focus on what you can do. In this section, I'll show you how to start speaking English today with a simple plan anyone can follow. You can start speaking today. Yes, today. Here's a simple daily routine. We call it the 5-minute speaking routine. Step 1. Shadow a voice. Choose a short video, like this one. Listen to one sentence. Pause. Repeat it out loud. I want to learn English. Now your turn. I want to learn English. Do this for 2 minutes every day. You'll copy the rhythm, the sound, and the flow. Step 2. Talk about your day. 1 minute. Every day, speak 1 minute about your life. I woke up early. I made some tea. I went to work. I met a friend. We talked about music. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to speak. Step 3. Use one new word 1 minute. Choose one new word today. Say it in 3 sentences. Word, tired. Sentence 1, I feel tired today. Sentence 2, my dog looks tired. Sentence 3, are you tired? This helps move it from short memory to long memory. Step 4, talk to yourself 1 minute. Look in the mirror. Talk to yourself. Hi, how are you? I'm okay. How was your day? Not bad. I went shopping. Nice. Did you buy anything fun? It sounds silly, but it works. If you do this 5-minute plan daily, in 1 month, you will feel the difference. You will speak faster. You will forget fewer words. You will feel confident. You can do it.
You've learned the reasons. You've seen the method. Now it's time to practice. This part is all about speaking out loud with me using real-life English. Let's go step by step. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. Take your time. Speak slowly. Say it with feeling. Feelings. I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel excited. I feel nervous. I feel hungry. I feel better now. Daily life. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I make breakfast. I go to work. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I watch TV at night. Questions. What time is it? Where are you from? What do you do? Do you like music? Can you help me? Small conversations. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thank you. What about you? I'm doing well. Nice to meet you. Have a good day. Say each sentence with me. Say it 2 times. Say it out loud. Repeat this section tomorrow, and again the next day. Speaking needs practice, and you're doing it now. You did great today. You listened, you spoke, you learned. If you understand English but can't speak, now you know why. It's not your fault, it's just practice. And now you have a plan. Repeat with me. I can speak English. I will speak English. I am learning every day. Thank you for joining me today. We create these lessons with love and care so that you can feel confident step by step. If you found this helpful, come back tomorrow. We post videos every day. And remember, this is real-life English. We teach you English with real-life examples, simple stories, and daily speaking practice. Keep going. Your voice matters, and English is now your language too.